Well, hi there. This is the video that shows you how to access our free, F-R-E-E, the best price, course materials that we're going to use for this class. So primarily we're going to be using, this book, Marketing Fashion, A Global Perspective. But every now and then I'm going to throw one or more other reading materials in there. But you have two ways you can get to the book. One, whatever text we're using, you can just click on the image and it will take you to the full book. Or if you just want to go to the sections that I want you to read, you can click on the links here. Now, the way I'm teaching this class and the way the book is set up, we are not reading chapters always consecutively. So just the way this book is set up, creating relationships and understanding fashion consumers and branding strategies are not consecutive chapters. So if you click here and go to the book, you will have to find these chapters because they're not consecutive, okay? So let's just say you are going to click on one of these links. So you click on the link to the book. So click on the link here, and next it's going to take you to, because I'm already logged in, it's going to take you to this page. It'll take you to the Chaffey College Library page. So you go ahead and log in using the same Chaffey credentials that you use to log into Canvas. So your student ID and password. So same thing that you used to log into Canvas, hit that login button, and after you hit that login button, it's going to take you here. It's going to take you to either the chapter of the book or the full book. So in here, you're going to read, so for this chapter that I want you to read, Understanding Fashion Consumer and Business Buying Behavior, pages 65 to 97, and you literally can just scroll down through the reading and read at your leisure. Okay, if you were back on the actual book, if you click this button instead of going to the specific chapter, if you want to go to the full book. So if we're not using this book, same things are going to apply. You either can click on the picture to go to the full book, and you click on the picture for the full book, it will just take you to the table of contents for this book. So again, if you look at this, I'm cherry picking chapters so that I'm not necessarily doing things in the order that they are in the book. Okay, so that is how you access the reading material every week in every module for every book. Here's the other great thing that that you have access to. If you're taking other fashion courses, you've seen this. If not, you actually have access to the Bloomsbury Fashion Central, their full library. So Bloomsbury, also known as Fairchild Publishing, is the largest publisher of fashion textbooks, case studies, biographies, fun stuff. So if you're kind of a fashion nerd like me, which I'm assuming you are, but even if you aren't, you can type in any topic that you want and you can find it there. So let's see if we type in haute couture. Let's see what pops up. Type in haute couture, and it looks like we get 295 results. So book chapters, it looks like. So this is haute couture and tailoring. This is actually a clothing construction book. A cultural history of Western fashion. That's a new book. This is a Bloomsbury visual arts book. So there's a lot of images in that book, so that's a good one. There's a couple of chapters in that book here. There's things that are just on jewelry or headwear, bags and luggage. If you look at the themes, there's fashion study history, fashion trends, globalization. So all those great things just on haute couture. If you want to look up a designer, so if you do Elsa Schiaparelli, and you type her whole name in, what happened? Didn't take it. Okay, so let's see who you're gonna. Well, let's see. I didn't take her whole name. Okay, there we go. So now look up Elsa. And it looks like we have 69 results. So again, all kind of fun stuff for your fashion studies in here too. So please have fun. And again, this is free to you as long as you have a Chaffey ID. Like you don't have to really be a student anymore. So give a Chaffey ID, you can log in. Okay. All right. So now you know what to do. I'm going to go back to the book. Now you know what to do to get to the book, to complete your reading, and go ahead and dive in. See ya.